2000 RPM till 3000 RPM. That's when you're gonna pick up speed. If you slam it hard, you're not gonna hear your drone, you're gonna hear your engine. Because it's a V6, of course. If you have a V8, it's a different story. You're gonna be hearing your engine. But with the V6, when you slam it hard, or when you're driving on a low speed, or starting to pick up speed, then you are gonna hear the drone. It's only from 2000 RPM till 3000 RPM. That's where it's usually located. I'm not gonna say it's undrivable. You get used to it, you love it, you hear it every day when you go to work, and you'll be okay with that.